August is slow for buyer showings and new contracts and fewer new listings to the market as sellers are repositioning prices to attract interest. It's Friday, August 19th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Be sure to subscribe for updates on the local housing and finance markets and to keep tabs on your Maryland real estate. Of the homes for sale, more than 40% have made price improvements. Days on the market have risen to 56 days. Here's what's happened in the market over the past week. Homes for sale fell 2.8% to 1,242 at a median 56 days on the market. 78 properties are coming soon, a 7.5% rise from last report. 112 came to the market, falling 26% since last week. 83 properties went under contract, a decline of 13.25%. 90 properties are temporarily off, a rise from last report. 100 properties went to pending, a 19% decrease. 150 properties sold in 11 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was a 4-bedroom Ocean View condo for $1,800,000. Rental inventory fell to 47 properties for rent at $1,900 per month. Thinking about moving? Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, August 19th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your weekend.